One tiny English sound affects how most immigrant professionals communicate. It is the relaxed sound at the end of words. Listen to this: critical, usual, professional, serial. Now listen carefully to how many people pronounce them. Critical, usual, professional, serial. Everything sounds a little too heavy, a little too sharp, a little too stretched. But in smoother English speech, the ending relaxes. Critical, usual, professional, serial. Can you hear the difference? The mouth relaxes. The jaw softens. The word flows instead of stopping hard at the end. And this is important because English is a stress-timed language. Not every syllable gets equal energy. Native and globally fluent speakers reduce many unstressed syllables into a soft sound called the schwa. That relaxed sound, which seems not to be there. Now listen, this is very important. Did you know that the schwa is described as the most important sound in English? Why? Because it is the commonest sound English has. It makes up about 12% of all spoken phonemes or sounds, leaving the 43 other sounds with the remaining 83%. That's a huge control. So, do you see why you need to pay more attention to this sound? Let's look again at these words that have a schwa somewhere at the end. Listen again. Critical, practical, natural, formal, professional, total, actual, annual, legal, casual, serial, principal. Yes, principal of a school. It is not principal. The endings are softer, lighter, more relaxed. Okay, this is the interesting part. Let's practice together. Repeat after me, not in your mind. Please voice it out so your tongue can adjust to it. Critical, critical, professional, professional, usual, usual, principal, principal, serial, serial. Good. Now let's use them in sentences. The oral exam was unusually easier than we expected. The new principal is very professional. He has a very natural communication style. Maro's presentation included visual examples. Victoria's pauses were intentional and powerful. Good. Now here's another group that many professionals struggle with. Words like cancel, council, different spellings, same pronunciation. Pencil, model, not model, tunnel, towel, bow. Many people pronounce the second syllable too strongly. But listen to the relaxed ending. Council, pencil, model, towel, not council, not pencil, not model, not towel or towel. Again, the ending softens because smooth English speech does not mean attacking every syllable equally. This is not human rights we are talking about. We are talking about English. It's about rhythm. It's about flow. It's about knowing where to relax. And once you start hearing these relaxed endings, you will notice them everywhere in English. This small adjustment can quickly make your speech sound clearer, smoother, more natural, and easier for global audiences to process. Not because you are trying to sound like somebody else or because you want to change your accent, but because you are learning the natural rhythm patterns of English. And honestly, if you want quick or overnight speech transformation, target getting the schwa at the end of these words right. Once you achieve that, once you achieve that, you will realize that the schwa may be the most powerful tiny sound in English. But most importantly, you will be amazed at the difference that makes to your speech. Do you have other examples that should be noted? Drop them in the comments. Speak with power, write with influence. Thank you.